Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, market's giving such a good breakout after a long time, right? We waited for so long, and after that, markets have finally given a very good breakout, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty definitely leading over here, but I think this week we can expect Bank Nifty to lead a little bit more because I'm going to show you guys exactly in the 15-minute chart. If we see, Bank Nifty hasn't really given like a proper clear momentum, right? Bank Nifty is going up, but it is going up slowly, right? Whereas Nifty, if we see, Nifty hasn't given a single pullback. It is just moving away, moving up and up and up, right? And if you would have bought anywhere, right, you would have made money over here. Anywhere you would have created bullish positions and kept a big enough stop loss, you would have made money very easily, right? But in Bank Nifty, if you see, not Bank Nifty hasn't really moved up that much. Sure, there was momentum over here, but after that, Bank Nifty pretty much has not given a very good momentum. So I think this week we can expect, and I think we can focus more on Bank Nifty in terms of getting good trades on the upside, right? But still, in the weekly charts, if we see, Bank Nifty has given a very good breakout, and it looks like we can expect a very good momentum till 46,000 also in the coming weeks. Our target was 45,000, but given the kind of consolidation and the formation over here, 45,000 it looks like an easy target, and even 46,000, even 46,000 looks kind of a relatively easy target for Bank Nifty to come up to in the coming weeks, right? Nifty also, if you see, has given such a good breakout, and over here 19,500 looks like a short-term target, and we can also expect 20,000 easily in the coming months, because if you see, markets have given a very good breakout in the weekly charts, pretty much from like after from October till like June, right? June of this week, it has been almost 2 years, right? Almost after 2 years, Nifty is giving a good breakout on the upside, so we can easily expect a very good momentum in Bank Nifty. Also, if we see, Bank Nifty has given a very good breakout, although not as good as Nifty, but still, Bank Nifty also we can expect 46,000 very easily in the coming days, right? In the coming days or in the coming weeks. So talking about in the daily charts also, if we see, Bank Nifty is just running away, right? And whenever something like this happens, there could two things could happen over here, right? Bank Nifty, first of all, should not open with a gap down, right? Because what will happen if we open with a gap down is that anybody who has entered and made bullish positions in this up move, they will start exiting their positions. And Bank Nifty should also not open, I mean, if Bank Nifty opens with a gap up, right, then we won't get such a good trade, right? Because if you open with a gap up, again, same thing, Bank Nifty will consolidate like this throughout the day, and there will not be kind of a good momentum that we can capture after the gap, right? Talking about Nifty also, if you see, pretty much, opening with gaps and starting to go up. But over here, if we could get a flat opening over here, right, we can capture a very good trade over here, especially in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty hasn't moved so much. But yeah, both of these indices now have just round numbers above them, which are kind of a good resistance. Possibly 45,000 for Bank Nifty and 19,200 for Nifty, but not even 19,200, because if you see, Nifty has closed exactly at 19,200. So if you open flat and start crossing, I think 19,200 also won't be respected over here, and we can expect an easy momentum till 19,400 to 500 range on the upside, right? But still, in Bank Nifty, if you see, I'm going to open the 15-minute chart and talk about it over here. In 15-minute chart, very simple. Tomorrow, if we open flat, we can get a very good trade over here. As soon as we start to cross 44,780, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. You can easily get 45,000 first of all, and you can also hold your, if we close over here itself, right, you can also hold your positions for higher targets, because there is not really a big kind of resistance on the upside. But still, yeah, we can get easily 45,000 tomorrow itself if we open flat and start crossing 44,780, right? On the downside, if we open flat and go down, we will not take any sort of a trade, because this will just be a little bit of pullback. So over here, we'll not take any sort of a selling trade. Over here, one thing to note is that we have seen a breakout, right? And if the breakout failure has to happen, we should not go below 44,200, right? 44,200 will be a very important level to watch out for. In any circumstance, we should not go below 44,200, and we should take support from like 44,500, 400 and start moving up again, right? Because if we go below 44,200, this will be termed as a breakout failure, and we could see a very, very good sell off in Bank Nifty. And in Nifty, we should not go below 18,800 levels, right? Because if below 18,800 is where all the kind of people will start getting trapped. But yeah, again, Nifty is very far away from its breakout level of 18,880, but Bank Nifty not so much. So again, we should not open with a very, very big gap down. Again, we should not open with a very big gap down somewhere near 44,400 to 500. But again, if we start seeing price action, bearish price action in 15 minutes below 44,500, then you can go ahead and take a short position. But until then, we will just ignore taking any sort of a bearish trade over here, because this is not an area where we take bearish trades, right? On the upside, very simple. We'll go with the flow. As soon as this high is crossed, we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade. If we open with a small gap up, right, somewhere near 44,850, 800, all these levels, then we'll wait for a small pullback. Once we get to this high, we can again take a bullish position. But yeah, again, we should not open with a gap up straight up near 45,000. Why do I say that? Is that a lot of people who have taken part in this rally, their target would be at 45,000, right? So we could see a very good profit booking at 45,000. And then what you can do is that, say if you open at 45,000, you can wait for the first 5-minute candle. Once the low of the first 5-minute candle is broken, you can go ahead and take a bearish trade over here till 44,800 to 780 on the downside. But yeah, again, if we open at 45,000 only, then any sort of a gap up somewhere near even 44,900 or maybe 850, all these levels, then things could be a little volatile. But still, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade once we get to previous day's high, because Bank Nifty could take support over here and then again start moving up, right? Talking about Nifty has really gotten extended over here without, I mean, the buying has really extended over here without any sort of a pullback. So you can take a trade over here, but be a little cautious. So above 19,200 is where we'll go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,250, 300, all these levels on the upside. But be a little cautious, right? If you see big red candles being made, that's a sign of profit booking in Nifty, and we could see a little bit of pullback. But until then, you can move with the trend till 19,250, 300, all these levels on the upside, right? But yeah, again, Nifty will not really give you a very good momentum, because Nifty has done very good momentum in the previous 3 trading sessions, whereas Bank Nifty hasn't given such a good momentum. So even after Nifty breaks out, it could kind of, stay in this range or just go up very slowly, right? And not give you that good of a profit. But in Bank Nifty, we could see a very good momentum, because Bank Nifty, hasn't really given a good momentum that we want, right? So yeah, we'll focus on Bank Nifty on the buying side. Same thing with Nifty also. If we open with a gap down, we'll do nothing over here, because 19,000 is will be a very good support that will need to be watched out for. So again, if we open with a gap down, we'll see what we can do in after other trading sessions. So yeah, that is something that we can see in another video or other video, I mean, in the coming days, right? So I guess that was it for today. And again, this week I'm expecting the momentum to continue, at least in Bank Nifty a little bit, because Bank Nifty hasn't given a lot of momentum. So we could focus more on Bank Nifty rather than Nifty, right? And that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.